Hey, I told y'all it was a blizzard snowstorm happening here. Look at my door, my back door. It is cold outside. I know, and I'm inside making a smoothie. That don't make sense. I know it don't make sense. But look at that. Look at the snow. It is ridiculous. It's freezing outside. Like, it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, y'all. But that's okay, because I'm not going nowhere. I'm staying inside. Still snowed in, not going anywhere, and the schools just called and said that my kids do not have school tomorrow, so they will be at home doing their AMI day.